Hello, lovely friends. I'm really happy that I am again here after such a long time. I've been preparing for this video this morning to record this video for you. I'm sure this video will really help you to understand the structure and the meaning of future perfect progressive. As I have uploaded many videos regarding tenses in English, so if you haven't seen my videos, please check the link which I put in the description and have a navigation on my channel. You will see all the tenses in English from present simple to future perfect progressive, but still there are 4 conditional tense remained, so I will be uploading those videos as well as soon as possible. So in this video, dear friends, we will learn about future perfect progressive or continuous. Let us see what is the structure of this tense and how we can make sentences and when we should use this specific tense in English. Okay. So as you see, I have written the structure here. It's really simple. We have subject. You know what are the subjects in English, like I, you, we, he, she, it, and so on. Then we have verb, have, plus been, plus verb with ing, because this is the progress tense. So it requires a verb with ing, then complement or object of the sentence. This is the positive sentence. I will cover the negative and as well as the question structure as well. So please stay to the end of the video, then you will understand after watching this video completely this specific tense. Okay, so what is future perfect tense about? Future perfect tense indicates or shows you an action which will have been in progress by a specific time in the future. It shows continuous action which may happen started from past or now and will be in progress to that specific time in the future. So I have drawn a line time here, so please have a look here. Suppose this is the line time. Here is past, now we are here, and this is future. Let me give you one really, daily life activity example. Suppose you started working at 6 a.m. in the morning and now it is 6 in the evening. So how many hours you have been working? 12 hours. And let us suppose you are supposed to continue working after 6 as well, and you will work maybe 4 more hours. So till 10 p.m. you will be working. So how many hours? You started 6 in the morning, now it's 6 in the evening, 12 hours and plus 4, it will be 16 hours. Okay, 16 hours. So now if you continue working till 10 p.m. so we can say by 10 p.m. it can be 10 p.m. future. Okay, now we are here. This is let me write 6 a.m. This is now 6 p.m. and then this will be 10 p.m. Okay, so you work it from 6 a.m. to this point, now 6 p.m. 12 hours, and then you will continue working till 10 p.m. So it will be 16 hours. So now I can say by 10 p.m. you will have been working for 16 hours. So So see, the action started in the past and it is in progress till now, and it will be in progress till a specific time in the future. I hope you got it this. Okay, see the example here. I will have been studying Chinese for 3 months by the end of this month. So from this example I can understand when I started studying Chinese 2 months ago. Okay, 2 months ago. So this is past, and since 2 months ago I have been studying Chinese. Now it's now, and if I continue one more month, it will be future, so it will be 3 months. I will have been studying Chinese for 3 months by the end of this month. So here we have the subject here, then the verb will, as you see in the structure or formula as well, then have, which is in our formula, then been, which is here, then verb study, studying with ing, and then Chinese for 3 months. This is the rest of the sentence. Okay, or you can write the word by, as I wrote here, at the beginning of your sentence. By next year, she will have been working as a teacher for 2 years. So it means, she started 1 year ago. Okay, so when this year completes, next year will come. So by next year, by coming of next year, she will, complete 2 years of working as a teacher. Okay, so this is 2 examples of positive structure. So now let me show you some negative and as well as question sentence as well. Okay, to make this positive structure negative, then it will be so easy. Okay, so you only need to add not after will, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb with ing and complement. Okay, so now let's see these 2 examples. Okay, dear friends, let's see the negative structure as well, some negative sentences. So here in negative we only add not, then the rest are the same. Ali will not have been working here by next Friday. So also we consider next as a keyword in this structure. You will not have been staying in Kabul by next month. So this is the negative, and let me just give you some questions as well. In question structure, we only, in yes-no question actually, we need to change these 2 parts. Then will is here, and then we have the subject here. For example, so this is, I have written 2 questions. One is yes-no and another one is WH. For yes-no question, we will bring will in the beginning of your sentence, then subject, and then the rest are the same. So when you have been doing the same job by June, so June is 2 next months, then it's future time. And if you continue the same job, it means you need to use this, okay, this is structure for asking questions. Okay, and for yes-no question, WH question, you only need to WH word at the beginning of this structure, like this. How long will you have been waiting for him by 5 p.m.? Suppose you came at 3 p.m. So since 3 p.m. you have been waiting for someone and still the person hasn't come. So you will be waiting to 5 p.m. Okay, it means 2 more hours. So by that time, there is a question. If I ask you, how long will you have been waiting for him by 5 p.m.? So I hope this video can help you to understand this specific tense in English. This is actually a high level of structure in English. Now I will write maybe 2 more examples at the end of the video. Please check these examples and write the correct answer in the comment. Thank you.